Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best chew necklaces for sensory adults. If you or someone you know deals with anxiety, ADHD, autism, or sensory processing challenges, this product could be a game changer. The Chew Necklace set by LeeYean is designed not only to help manage chewing habits but also to provide a calming sensory experience that can help reduce stress and improve focus. This set includes 6 uniquely shaped chew necklaces, each made from 100% food-grade silicone. The variety of shapes, including cookie, biscuit, shark tooth, stick, feather, circle, and crystal, offers different textures that make chewing both fun and soothing. The material is soft yet durable, designed to protect teeth and gums without sacrificing long-term use. This makes it suitable for both mild and moderate chewers. One of the best things about these chew necklaces is their thoughtful design. They come with a breakaway clasp to ensure safety, preventing accidents if the necklace is pulled too hard. This feature is particularly important for kids and adults who need to wear the necklace throughout the day. Plus, the necklaces are the perfect size to hold and chew comfortably, making them highly user-friendly. These chew necklaces serve as a great oral motor aid. They help prevent unhealthy chewing habits like biting nails, fingers, pencils, or other objects. Whether you're at school, work, or home, these sensory tools can help channel nervous energy into something safe and constructive. The textured silicone surface enhances the tactile experience, which many users find comforting and effective for calming anxiety or sensory overload. Cleaning the necklaces is simple and hassle-free. A quick rinse with water or soapy water is all it takes to keep them fresh and ready to use. Since they are made from safe, non-toxic materials like BPA-free, phthalate-free, latex-free, and lead-free silicone, you can feel confident about their safety and hygiene. Another appealing aspect is the attractive design. The chew necklaces come in bright, engaging colors and cute shapes that are visually appealing, which can make them easier to introduce to children or adults who might be hesitant to use sensory products. Their stylish look means they don't stand out as a medical aid, so they blend well with everyday wear. Whether you are a parent looking for a safe way to help your child, a therapist seeking tools for sensory therapy, or an adult wanting a discreet way to manage anxiety and fidgeting, these chew necklaces are a versatile choice. LeeYean backs their product with a quality guarantee, offering a refund if you're not satisfied, which shows their confidence in the durability and effectiveness of these sensory chew necklaces. In summary, the LeeYean chew necklaces provide a safe, durable, and effective sensory solution for managing chewing behaviors and reducing anxiety. Their thoughtful design, variety of shapes, and high-quality silicone material make them stand out as one of the best chew necklaces for sensory adults on the market. If you're interested in a practical, stylish way to support sensory needs, this product is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.